Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip. Today we are going to be talking about Binance and Crypto.com, looking at one versus the other when it comes to meme coin listings, specifically PEPE token, which neither one of these exchanges have listed this token yet, but only one is starting to talk about it at least. Let's get into it, guys. If you like the content, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 5 videos every single day for you. And at 10,000 subscribers, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber, so don't miss that. The overall market cap, guys, is doing pretty darn well right now at 1.16 trillion, excuse me. Overall market cap's down a little bit, but the meme coins are going. Bitcoin's below 27,000. But look at this PEPE coin still making gains right now. Printed two 30-minute candles here recently. Looks like maybe trying to move back up. Possibly could be exhausted from this rally. I wouldn't be surprised if this thing tanked out of nowhere. But also, guys, I wouldn't be surprised if this thing exploded. And here's one of the biggest reasons why. Well, first of all, Bitcoin's going down over the last couple of days. You're looking at the daily candles now. In the last 4 days, Bitcoin has essentially gone down, a big move down today. The overall market cap is down. Meanwhile, the PEPE token is still moving up over the last few days and is quite high, over a $500 billion market cap. And I talked about it in my video earlier where I said, I did a video earlier on whether or not this could flip Shiba Inu and Doge. I guess my vote would be it's a coin flip. I don't think it's likely, but I think it's possible is kind of where I sit with that. But no, maybe trillions of dollars are flowing into this market cap to get to the previous all-time high, which means possibly billions could flow into a lot of coins and possibly even a meme coin like PEPE. But one thing I got to note for you guys, we're talking about Crypto.com versus Binance here. Look at this. Here is the PEPE token website. I suggest you do look at this, look at their roadmap, look at the different phases that they're going through, but also look at the different exchanges that are in here right now. Gate.io is usually one of the first exchanges to list this token. Uniswap was the first place. And then now Huobi jumped on and they even put out some things on Twitter we'll look at here in a second. OKX is doing it. Trust Wallet's got it going on. CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko both have it listed. Each time a piece of news breaks about this, it gives more pumpability to a new meme token because more people can access it. That makes more liquidity for the token, and it just gets people more excited. It's another piece of news and a reason for the thing to pump. But everybody's talking about this, the frog versus the dog. And here's a tweet by Huobi. Now, this was on April 19th. Now, in the last couple days, this token has absolutely been going wild, and it's been outperforming all the dog tokens, Floki and the rest of them included. And this is Huobi's tweet, but the real thing here is the conversation of the frog versus the dog. And now you start to think, okay, Huobi listed this. Did this contribute to the pumpability of this token? Absolutely. And so now you got to start asking yourselves, can this get to the dog token levels? Well, I think it needs more news, and something like a Binance listing would do the trick. Now, Binance and Crypto.com both have not listed this token, but this is something that I'm going to be looking out for the token. Now, Binance has not really been tweeting too much about it. They did just do an AMA. Binance did an AMA. He mentioned that he does support the Shiba Inu holders, and he leaves the window of possibility open for the future of PEPE listings on his exchange. He doesn't totally crush it. This could be huge. Now, also looking at Crypto.com, there is not a lot of news about the frog token on the Crypto.com website either. In fact, you don't see anything about it on this website. So I do believe that this is very important. If these exchanges want to compete, I think that the meme tokens are actually a really nice way to get more people excited about their platform. Shiba Inu, for example, Crypto.com was a very, very big landing place for people who wanted to buy Shiba Inu, which is why you saw its reserves during the whole FTX collapse come out. Its reserves were majority Shiba Inu. Well, why couldn't they do the same thing with a coin like PEPE? And is PEPE going to be big? I don't know if PEPE is going to be as big as a Shiba Inu, but I do think that, if you can list a token and if it's popular enough, and a $500 million market cap's pretty darn good, maybe not there yet. I would like to see Crypto.com and Binance both list this token, but I'll tell you, whichever exchange lists it second is going to be missing out. Huobi got really ahead of the game here. OKX is really ahead of the game. I think that, there's a lot of other exchanges that have really jumped on this train and are probably getting a lot of great trading volume on account of it. New users on account of it. But I do think that it's important for Crypto.com and Binance to at least consider listing the PEPE token, even if this thing crashes and burns, which, guys, this coin totally might crash and burn, but it also could be the next Shiba Inu. I'll tell you this as well. We talked about this token 7 days ago. So this is still very new. It came out only, I think, like 10 days ago now. So it's still very, very new. There's a lot of time for us to see this token get listed on some more exchanges. So keep an eye out for that. But I'll tell you guys, Bitcoin is still looking weak right now. Now, if Bitcoin breaks down below this and gets down to $25,000, I would expect a big correction out of a PEPE token, out of a CRO coin. And if you look at the CRO price right now, this is CRO versus Bitcoin. We were doing such a good job, guys, and we're still doing all right. We're trying to break above this blue trend line for CRO versus Bitcoin. I will tell you this, though. Unfortunately, if you look at CRO versus the US dollar right now, it is actually trying to stay above this other blue line it just broke out above. We got to see if this red candle can bounce onto the top of this blue trend line. Then we might be able to get an upward momentous move back to the upside. So I'm looking out for CRO coin right now, price action. I'm looking out for some of these meme coins because I do think that as these markets continue to heat up, there's a bull market coming, guys. Again, to get back to the previous all-time high, $1.9 trillion coming into the market. If we get to $10 trillion market cap for crypto overall, which I think is extremely feasible, there is $8.82 trillion flowing into this market. Where will that money flow? Could it flow into CRO coin? Absolutely. Could it flow into PEPE token? I think it's certainly possible. Could more of it flow into Shiba Inu, Binance token, and Bitcoin? Of course. I think it's going to get spread out, but that's a lot of money, and I think some of the bigger tokens are going to get the majority of it. CRO coin and Binance obviously in a good spot for that. Can PEPE climb into the top 50? Can it climb into the top 20? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you think that Crypto.com will list PEPE token? I do eventually think they will list it. I do think that Binance might beat them to the punch. Let me know what your thoughts are. Who will list it first? Tell me in the comments down below. Is it Crypto.com or Binance? I'm going to say Binance. I wish it was Crypto.com because I hold a lot more CRO tokens than I do Binance, but that's what I think for now. Put your comments down below, guys. That's all I got in this one. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, guys, and as always, you got to remember to DCA and HODL, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. Got 2 videos for you here if you want to check them out. Peace.